Hey Charu.
Oh, hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know 2020 has been very tough on all of us. We all are in a lockdown situation and we are not able to get out of our homes. During these times, a lot of people are missing meeting their friends, going out partying, or even going back to work. You know what I'm missing the most? I'm missing my mom. And when I miss my mom, this is the thing that I do. I cook this one special dish that she always used to cook for me, the homemade peas potato. The ingredients of this recipe are very easy to find and it's a very simple recipe. You can actually get out of the kitchen within 15 minutes from the point you decide to make this. So I'm going to share this amazing recipe with all my friends and followers inside Vegan Kitchen. So we'll start by peeling the potatoes and cutting them into small cubes. These are not just the ingredients, but also the steps in which we will be using these ingredients in our recipe. 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of the mustard seeds, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. Make sure that you do not exceed this quantity, otherwise it will overpower the flavor of your dish. We are also going to use some fresh curry leaves, which are the essence of most of the South Indian dishes, and these are going to add a lot of richness to our dish today. We have taken 3 medium potatoes cut into small cubes, 2 cups of green peas, then we'll be adding some salt as per our taste, whole tablespoons of the black pepper powder. Make sure that you increase or decrease the quantity based on your threshold for spice. 1 teaspoon of sugar, and once the dish is well cooked, we will be garnishing this with handful of the freshly grated coconut. So let's get started. So now the peas potato, the way my mom cooks, is ready, and I'm totally ready to indulge in the comfort food. I have with me some rice, of course the peas potato, and I've also cooked some dal. In India there are around 999,000 ways in which you can cook a dal, trust me. This is called as the dali toy, which is one of the famous dals cooked in the southern part of India, and I'll be showing this in one of my future videos. Let's indulge in this crazy comfort food. You mix rice with dal and have a bite of this amazing peas potato. Mix it with this and the whole bite goes. I miss my mom. I love you so much, mom. This is the best thing that has happened to humanity. The potatoes are overcooked. That's how they are supposed to be cooked. The peas is nice and soft and mushy. The garnish of the coconut is adding a lot of value and flavor. You can get the taste of the curry leaves and also the pinch of asafoetida that we added. So just try it out, guys. Just try it out. This is going to blow your mind. All right.